Okay, welcome to your 15th HTML tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be covering HTML tables. Word of caution, HTML tables are not really recommended anymore. However, they can still be used within your web page, and they are still widely used out there on the internet. So we're going to be covering this tutorial. We're going to be covering tables within this tutorial today. Someone recently asked me what text editor I use. I use Sublime Text 2. It's the unregistered version, meaning that I haven't paid for it yet. However, don't tell those guys at Sublime I haven't done this. They might get pissed off. However, I plan to pay for it because it's a really cool text editor. It's lightweight, it's slick, it's fast, and it gets the job done. So I plan to pay for it. I think it's about $59 if I'm not mistaken, but it's worth the price. It's a really good text editor. So let's get on with the tutorial. Okay, we're gonna be creating HTML tables now. To create a HTML table, we start out with a table element, table tag, open table tag, close table tag, close table tag. Okay. Within the table tag, we need to put header tags. So we're gonna put a row. But before we put the header tags, we need to put a row. A row is represented by tr. Okay. Within the row, we're gonna put th. This is gonna represent the header, right? Th, open th, close th. We're gonna copy this. Let's copy this two more times. Okay, and we're gonna put the header information such as Jack. Let's say a name, Jack. Let's say John, and let's say Jill. Okay. Below that row, we're gonna put another row. Open row, close row. Okay, and we're gonna put three columns. Columns are represented by TD. Open column, close column. Let's copy this two more times. 1, 2. Okay. Let's say we're gonna say Jack is. Let's say Jack is tall. Let's say John is short. Let's say Jill is let's say Jill is medium, I guess. Okay. Let's preview this in the browser. Okay, load up our browser. Okay, as you can see here, we have Jack, John, Jill, tall. Jack is tall, short, and medium. Now it doesn't really look ordered, so let's put in some attributes here. Now the th, we could put in a width, and we can say the width is 200 pixels. Okay, and we could do the same for the others as well. We're going to copy this over, and we're going to say this width of this one is 200, and the width of this one as well is 200 as well. Control S to save. Let's preview it. As you can see here, we have it spread out, Jack, John, and Jill, but it still doesn't look like a real table. What we can put here, we can go to the table tag, and we're going to put in a border, and a border attribute, and we're going to give it a value of 1. This is the thickness of the table, so that it can show as a table. And as you can see here, it now automatically shows as a table, Jack, John, and Jill. And we have under Jack we have tall, under John we have short, and we have under Jill we have medium. We could put in another row. Open tr, close tr, and we can put in, we could simply copy this right here, and we could put in the table, and we could say Jack likes to swim. We can say John likes to run, and we can say Jill likes to walk. Okay, And let's preview this, and as you can see here it shows that swim, run, walk. Okay, we could center this information if we want to. We could go to this table here, this column here, and we could say align align equals center. Control S to save, preview it, and as you can see the information is centered here, and we could do the same for the others as well. um, Align equals center, and we can say align equals center as well. Okay, let's preview this in the browser, and you can see it's the tall, short, and medium text information is aligned with the header Jack right here, and the header John, and header Jill. Okay, we can also put a caption to give the table a label. So above the first row we can put caption. Okay, close caption. Okay, and we can put a data table or something like that, table. Control S to save, and we can preview it in the browser. Data table, and as you can see here, this is how this is how a normal table will look. Okay, like I said, tables are not really recommended. You should use divs, which we will be covering in further tutorials. It's recommended to use divs instead of tables. Okay, so this was your 15th HTML tutorial. We will thank you for watching this tutorial, and do subscribe, and I will see you in further tutorials.